Welcome to 29 Saint Angelique in Vaudreuil-Dorion. Today we have a beautiful 3-bedroom condo for you, open concept, modern and spacious. Really nice. We're going to give you a tour, so let's go have a look. Got a storage space in the backyard, private for your own use, some green space, and we go right downstairs into your unit. Welcome to 29 Saint Angelique. Beautiful open concept condo. Lovely bar, stool, kitchen. Beautiful and bright. There's a good sized living room here. As you can see with the size of the furniture, it's great. And you have access to all the rooms. So we're going to visit the first bathroom, which also acts as an ensuite with a pocket door. Wonderful deep soaker tub with a large shower, full cabinet and vanity. Going into the master bedroom, which has a good sized closet, big window, so there's nice lots of light coming in and back out. Powder room with laundry. Second bedroom. Lovely big kitchen. All the appliances are included. And into our third bedroom. Lots of windows. Beautiful condo. It's going on the market at $399. It's located at 29 Saint Angelique in Vaudreuil-Dorion. First come, first serve. Rare to find 3-bedroom. Thanks for watching.